Hey guys, welcome back. And today we have this. This right here is going to be the Dexnump LED red light therapy lamp. So what is red light therapy? Red light therapy is a treatment that may help your skin, muscle tissue, and other parts of your body heal. It exposes you to low levels of red or near infrared light. Infrared light is a type of energy your eyes can't see, but your body can feel as heat. Red light is similar to infrared, but you can see it. So how does it actually work? Well, with the red light therapy, you expose your skin to a lamp device, such as this. A part of your cells called mitochondria, sometimes called the power generators of your cells, soak it up and make more energy. Some experts think that this helps your cells repair themselves and become healthier. This spurs healing in skin and muscle tissue. Red light therapy uses very low levels of heat and doesn't hurt or burn your skin. It's not the same type of light used in tanning booths, and it doesn't expose your skin to damaging UV rays. With this particular lamp, there's going to be 324 evenly distributed LED lamps along the 4 different tubes that you see here, and these are fully adjustable as well. You go whichever way you kind of want to go. This the tube here does go up and down, so you can have it as high. And I believe it's 5 feet if I'm not mistaken, and then you can bring it down. The higher it is though, the more unstable it kind of gets. The base at the bottom here is going to be a metal base. It's nice and solid. It weighs, I believe, total, not just the base, but the total is I think 5.5 pounds. But the higher you go, and then if you stack all these in the same direction, this kind of tends to fall over just like that. So, I found that the lower you have it, the better it is. Obviously a lower center of gravity, so it doesn't tip over as easily as it does otherwise, right? You kind of really have to hit it hard for it to go. But like so, it is not that bad. Does come with a built-in remote, I guess you can say. It's part of the actual lamp here, and this controls the actual lamp. So you have your on button. These two here are going to be for the different levels of brightness. So you're going to have 5 different levels, and then you have a timer function. I believe you go from 15 minutes, not 50, 15 all the way up to 60 minutes. This red light therapy lamp delivers red and near infrared light. Its 660 nanometers red light is suitable for soothing skin and wrinkles, as it can reach deep layers of the skin so as to stimulate cellular repair, while the 850 nanometer near infrared light can penetrate and generate thermal effects, promoting blood circulation and enhancing metabolism. With this here, you actually only want to do about 20 or 30 minutes at a time, depending on what it is that you're trying to do. And with the included user manual, it kind of gives you an idea of the different things that you can actually do with this particular therapy lamp. It does say to wear eye protection. It does come with eye protection, and I don't know where mine are. They're somewhere, but I can't find it. But it does come with eye protection, so you can start using it the day you get it. Pretty easy to set up. You got the base, you got this piece here, which is going to be like the extendable pole, and then this top piece that screws right onto the top, like so, right there. And these little guys go wherever way you want it to go. With this here, you're not gonna get results right away. It does say, it takes about 8 to 12 weeks to kind of see results for whatever it is that you're looking to do. So don't think it's just sit down once and that's it. I know you may not have 20 minutes to sit down at a time, but you don't always have to do it at once, right? You can do it every 5 minutes, or sit down for 5 minutes and then do 4 different sessions a day if you want to do it that way. I have used it, and you do feel the heat for sure, and these things do get hot if you have them on for a little bit, so just be careful if you are going to be adjusting it. Try to adjust it from here, not from here. And for deep tissue and muscle treatments, you should be about 2 to 6 inches away, and between 6 to 20 inches away for more surface level, so skin treatments that you want to do. Do this 3 to 5 times a week. Make sure you wear your eye protection, and in about 6 to 12 sessions you should start seeing some improvements in whatever it is that you are targeting. Make sure that if you do start feeling like it's burning or it's getting really red, like your skin is turning red, stop using it immediately and maybe use less intensity, less time under it, or just stop using it at all if you are noticing some major issues there. I can't say that this actually works in improving all those things. There are some studies that were done in red light therapy, obviously not this particular one. Nothing has been conclusive yet, so take that with a grain of salt whether this is gonna work or not. But if you really wanna try it, why not? I'll probably have to do a follow-up video in a few months just to see how this actually worked and if it improved anything. And at that point, I'll be able to give better feedback on this light therapy, not just this particular lamp, but just red light therapy in general, to see if it actually does what it's supposed to do or what it says it's supposed to do. So stay tuned for that video. Let me turn this on real quick so I can show you the different levels. Turn this away from me so I am not looking straight at it. Turn it that way, also away from you. All right, so turn this on, power button, bam. So that is gonna be level 5, level 4, level 3, level 2, and level 1. Let me turn off my light here. So let me show you what those levels look like in the dark. All right, so again, this right here is gonna be level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it right next to my skin here, about 2 inches. It says for deeper tissue, muscle tissue, but I don't know, I think that's a little too close. I would stay a little further away, but as you can see, it's pretty bright at that level. Then this has this like strobing effect. I don't know what that is supposed to do. So sorry, I don't know much about that particular feature. Let me know, have you tried out red light therapy before, or are you considering getting one? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And any questions, suggestions, anything at all, down in the comments section below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.